Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into LifeWork. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into our preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap into that and let's type in Lifetime Work Login since you are going to log in and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one that says log in. And there you go, you will be greeted with this login page. You can see two empty fields right here, one for the username and another one for the password. Let's tap in there and you can either type in your username or even your email that is associated with your account, like that. And of course your password. Now that you have done that, also if you have an account but you have forgotten your username or even your password, you don't need to worry at all. There is an option right here in the blue lettering. It says forgot a username or password. So in case you have forgotten your username, you can tap into that blue lettering that says username. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap into that blue lettering that says password. That's it. And I hope you have an account on WorkLife. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one by tapping in this create account option right below at the very bottom. And that's it. Now that we have filled up everything, all we gotta do is tap into that blue button that is log in and you'll be logged into your WorkLife account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any confusion, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.